Welcome. In this video we will see the new option to map differential pressure using Results Mapper tool in ANSA version 25.1. With this new option, the tool separates the different pressures of the source model. By different pressures, we refer to cases where pressure is applied on both sides of the elements. The tool then calculates the delta pressure. Using the CSV function located in the Mapping Buttons group, the pressures from a CSV file can be mapped. As input file, the CSV file must be selected. By pressing question mark in the connectivity field, select the part on which the mapped results will be applied. Confirm by using the middle click and then press Next. In the preview page, enable the pressure and the mapped pressures can be viewed using the Preview Results button. As you can see, pressures exist on both sides of the elements. With the new option, the tool will map these pressures and then the delta pressure will be calculated. Press OK to close the preview, then Next and finish without applying the Results Mapper. From the database browser, we can open the Results Mapper list. Then, by double-clicking on the created entity, the Entities card opens. In the mapping list, click on the pressure, and in the options enable the Calculate Delta Pressure. Modify the search distance, and using Apply button, the differential pressures are mapped. Press OK to close the card. The visualization of the mapped differential pressures is enabled through Fringe, Elements, L-Press. This concludes the demonstration of the new option to map differential pressure using Results Mapper tool in version 25.1. Thank you for watching.